15 times 20 centimeters. Don't cut with the lines vertical, please cut with the lines like in the yellow paper that are horizontal. Make 6 of them. Use a clip to clip them all together so they don't move out. Now use the thread and in the middle tie them together, but not really strong. I have tied here a little bit stronger to show you that you have to tie in the middle, but it would be better if you take something that is not so thick. And now you have to cut at the ends, like making a little bit oval, so you will see the flower, it will look better. Do the same on the other side. Now you have to open the flower petals on the one side and other side, like you would make, and tie them all close together. And now start to take one section, and also at the end, please, you make a little bit oval, so it starts to look like a flower. Don't just put it up, but the ends also make it more like a flower, like in the circle. This is really important. And check each layer so the two layers are not stuck together.